What's up, brick builders? Today's build is the Fire Chief's car. This is set number 4914. Year it came out was 2005, age group 5+, and it's got a piece count of 31. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Welcome to another build video. Now we've got a pretty cool build here because this is very similar to the fireman's car. See that? That's the fireman's car right there. There's a very similar build to this. And we might do a comparison build as well. We'll build them side by side sort of thing, and you can see the difference between them. That'll be in a different video though, so check that out. Yeah, if you haven't seen the build video for the fireman's car, just check this video out right up here. And like I say, there'll be another video of building these two side by side just to see what the difference is. So there'll be a comparison build video kind of thing. Very, very similar indeed. When you watch this, you'll be like, yeah, we've seen this before. You have. It's, like I say, it's very similar, but it's got quite a few improvements to it as well. In my opinion, they're quite improved. Let's dive in and build it. There we go. First thing off the bat is with this set is you don't get minifigure with it, whereas you would get minifig with the fireman's car. You can see it's very, very similar in a lot of respects, but you can see there's a bit of a difference as well in an awful lot of respects. So we got the bar at the same bar at the back there, the base. Red plates here with wheel arches are exactly the same as you can see. This one's slightly lifted because there's a 2x4 plate over the top, whereas this one has the angled plate over the top. But you can see wheels are different as well, but the plates for the wheels are different, but the whole construction is almost exactly the same. It's a pretty cool looking set. I do like this version to the other version. It's a little bit more revamped. It's got a little bit more shape and definition to it. Got these lights on the front here instead of the grill, which is kind of cool. We just replaced that there and those two there. Like I say, there will be a comparison build video coming out. But yeah, it's a pretty good little 4x4 vehicle. I kind of like it. The camera's not going to focus. There it is. There we go, folks. Pretty cool. Nice little set. That's a printed tile as well. I just got that in not so long ago from a BRIT'N order, so that's actually a printed tile. You only need one of those for building most of the fire sets that are out. I think they all just need one, or most of those sets need just that one printed tile. So you don't need more than one, unless you want to, of course. Anyway, folks, if you enjoyed the video and you want to see some more content like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share amongst all your friends, family and anybody else you think would be interested in seeing this kind of content. That would be awesome. Also, put your notifications on to all, because you'll catch me in the next video. I'm Sean from BRIT'N. Peace.